It never happened before. It never happened before. And you might not know, when we were contesting last year, I keep telling you people that Datti and I would have been the first people since Nigerian independence 63 years ago to be president and vice president. Everybody went on to rule us now before independence. This is the first time there's a national chairman of a big party that is born after independence. So you see, it's time to retire this people. We're talking enough from there. Nigeria cannot be 63 years and they refuse to go away. Since they refuse to go away, we will take them away. That's the same thing we are saying about Edo. We don't want the excuses again. We are tired of excuses. They tell us, say, electricity, they go bring. This one, look at how Nigeria did today. To buy bread, no problem. To buy rice, problem. Peace, you know, the orca, everything where you want, none of them they did. Fuel, you know, the kerosene, you know, the nothing. If you want to travel from here to worry today, you don't get to worry. If you want to go from here to Auchi, your own don't find. Now trouble you don't put yourself. We saw over 12 accidents coming from Auchi to Benin on Saturday. Over 12 accidents. People motor they break. People on the road suffering. All because we force people in. And that suffering we want end. To end that suffering, we don't see the sample where they happen. To end that suffering, you don't see the sample where they end. We go to church on Sunday. One man will be moment say, you know what thing they happen to them. Whenever I cross Niger Bridge, they go to him before I became governor. You know what thing they happen when after I became governor? If they come that place, you know they say pass. Now you deputy governor talk. Federal road, na road. State road, na road. All of them we want walk out. We don't want excuse again. We don't want excuse in education. We don't want anything. All we want is performance. And you've seen our campaign. We are not calling anybody's name. We are not quarreling with anybody. You don't see how those old men they talk. They do that. All we are saying is issues. Things we want to do. That is the type of campaign. Let me use this to warn INEC. They say they will use beavers, they will use RF, no glitch, no hitches. We want this election to be free and fair. We are not looking for anybody's vote. Time of rigging is coming to an end in this country. Time of rigging is coming to an end in this country. We are coming to an end time. Everybody that rig the election, we will rig him. Everybody that rig the election, we will rig him. Because we cannot continue. Because that's what they do and they put us in some trouble. Where nobody can move, Nigerians are suffering every day of hunger, of everything. We cannot continue that way. That's what the Labour Party wants to change. And that change with what we are preaching, Akpata is not just our guy, he's our governor. Akpata is our governor because he will perform. He will perform. That's what we are doing. As we are changing everything, Look at Kadere. Look at our deputy governor. Look at how they are. Deputy governor, senior advocate, this one, former FDA chairman, former FDA president. Who are they bringing? To this, they know what law and order is. They will fight insecurity. They will fight criminality. They will stop stealing. And they will use the resources of the state to develop the state. Edo is an advanced state. And then they bring people when they even talk. We don't want that. Who is your guy? Who is your guy? I bring your guy and I make it up for you. Monday, you have a new governor. Wait, I will never ever to you, my. Let's go say, even if the road is rough, I know mine. Cause you be my king. I go, come here when I stay. As I never see you online, you don't worry me and you don't give me concern. I've been ringing on your cellular, where you at, but you don't be set to them. 1, 2, I'm hoping you okay, we got to. Let's go, many cheese. 1, 2, let's go, me and you, then. Joey's house, I do transfer, you step. I go, it's my guy. So you want me, single, so I call you. DJ drop the volume sound. Hey, I will wait. I will never ever. I dedicate my time. I say, even if the road is rough, I know mine. Cause you be my G, you be my G, be my G. Said I'm feeling it tonight. Hey, thank you so much. But I have plenty for my I'm with my guy. I know the fear ain't got my back. Fear ain't got my. For the last time say, sure you don't see my formation. I got lucky combination. Steady inspiration. When I drive up, when my guys say, wall, bad energy for that. For the last time, let's turn up. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go, sir. I say, who is your God? Hey, drop the volume, DJ, stop. See, as we day like this, I will never, wait, it will never ever dedicate my time. I know, even if the road is rough, I know mine. Thank you very much. Love you.
Thank you so much, Spyro. 2 more performances. Your Excellencies, you can have your seats.
We sung.
Your Excellencies.